Emergency medical care services provide emergency life support and rescue services. This includes emergency medical care and transportation to and between the most appropriate medical facilities locally, nationally, and internationally. One of the occupations in the field of emergency medical care is a paramedic. The main task of paramedics is to provide specialized or advanced pre-hospital and inter-hospital emergency care and transport services to medical and trauma patients. They usually work in a team with other emergency care workers. The paramedics are able to make a difference in some of the most emotional and trying times for their patients each day. Apart from providing emergency medical care, their work includes ensuring the quality of services and the compliance with the occupational health and safety protocols or guidelines. Administration is also part of their duties. Before they can react to an emergency call, they have to inspect the vehicle in order to see if all the equipment is in a safe and working order. They use an equipment checklist for this task. An important part of their work is to maintain assets and disposable stock. They must ensure that there is always sufficient stock in order to be able to provide emergency medical care when needed. When they receive an emergency call, they rapidly respond by driving to the scene of an incident or medical emergency. All paramedics need to have a Code 10 driver's license. In addition, they need a professional driving permit to transport passengers and must be 21 years or older. If they have to transport a patient from one medical facility to another, they ensure that the necessary treatment or care is then provided. This may entail monitoring and administering medication, pain relief and intravenous infusions, as well as using specialist equipment including ventilators and defibrillators. They continue to provide treatment to the patient while in transit. It is essential that they maintain good communication with patients, their relatives and friends, as well as members of the public at the emergency scene. Upon arriving at the hospital, they accompany the patient into the facility where other medical personnel are waiting to take over. Here they provide hospital staff with information regarding the condition and treatment of the patient. Certain administration tasks need to be completed. Paramedics have to ensure that the correct documentation is completed for each incident. Weekly and monthly activity reports relating to the services rendered are also required. Quality inspections and the submission of quality assurance reports relating to patient care and treatment needs to be done regularly as it forms part of their tasks. Paramedics are also involved in the training and supervision of other members of the team, such as ambulance assistants. A minor part of their work is to promote the emergency medical care services to the public. To consider a career as a paramedic, you must be interested and perform well in subjects such as life science and physiology. The willingness to continue with learning and professional development in the field is crucial. You should have the ability to be assertive, make swift decisions, and stay calm. Being able to show empathy for people is essential. Paramedics perform long hours of shift work, including weekends. However, they find meaning in providing assistance and medical care to people in the worst of times.